Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and we have got a close and a break below the triangle. So what we're looking for, if this is a continuation of the downside, we need a pullback onto structure, and then we're looking to sell off it. And normally when you get triangle that breaks like this, it typically comes back to the apex of the triangle, which is roughly in this spot here at 14,119, possibly even as high as 14,112. So that's what you should be looking for. If we move to the hour, you'll see there's the trend line, very clear triangle, pretty clear break. We haven't had a retest of it. So the other bit of structure that you could be paying attention to, so this is the first one. And then obviously you can see how the apex of the triangle lines up to structure as well. So if we reject this area at 111.44.1, I would expect another leg to the downside, and that leg could very well be equivalent to this move here. So that would take us to 110. So that's the first bit of structure that we have. Just want to put this previous low in because that is an area we need to get clear as well. So that's the first one. Otherwise you have that one there. If we get back to the apex, then we are looking to target this area here at 110.500, which also makes sense, being a round number. Looking at the oscillators, that's kind of the way it's going. Last bit of structure that's forming here is a bit of a range at the moment. So same thing, break the range, come back and test this area at 111.097. Then you're looking to move to this zone here, 110.50, 110.500 should I say, and then 110 is your next target level. So I think that's kind of the trade that's on offer at the moment. US dollar Japanese yen, a bit of a weird setup here. So if I just do that, you can see we've got a pretty solid range that we're in at the moment, but then we are making higher lows, and we are sort of selling off this 115.755 area. Look carefully, that is a triangle, flat top triangle, and if you do this on a daily, you'll see it a little bit clearer, and if you do it on a weekly, you're going to see that's a consolidation area. So yeah, be careful of looking for shorts. That's basically what I'm saying. What you're looking for here, it does look like it is building another short, which doesn't surprise me. Could be a potential move back down to this trend line. Higher time frames, it's consolidating for a move to the upside. So I think Euro USD is something which I'm interested in, but US dollar Japanese yen at the moment, a little bit cautious. Could be a move here. I just need to wait for Europe to open, and you know, if we start breaking below the structure, you've got stop on the top of the structure, and you're looking for a short scalp down to 114.680. That's kind of the view that I've got for today. But be cautious, because I have a feeling if we maintain above this area here at 114.951, then you can expect a closer consolidation of the moving averages, and then give us an opportunity for a move back up to where everybody's been selling off at 115.755. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen, and background noise is a African thunderstorm underway, and British pound Japanese yen very much back in this consolidation area. And I'm talking consolidation area, it's pretty much that. So one of two things is going to transpire. We're either going to break through the structure and retest it, which would validate the double top, or alternatively we are going to bounce off here, and this is going to form a range. So 50-50 call. You need to wait for the structure to happen one way or another. If we move across to the hour, you'll see quite far from the moving averages. Trend is down, so I would be wanting to sell off this area here, or alternatively a little bit higher up over there. So those two levels are going to be 153,700 or alternatively 153,957. So nice strong move yesterday. So I wouldn't. There's nothing there that's indicating I need to be looking for a potential range. It's actually everything's indicating a double top that is brewing. Lastly, if we do break the double top level here, which is 153.056, and we did break it yesterday, but we're looking for a 8-hour close below, then I'm looking for an 8-hour pullback onto it and rejection. That validates it, and then that opens up a trade of a good 4,700 points to the downside. So please pay attention to that one. There's a good opportunity brewing there. Euro British pound, absolutely nothing worth trading here. Nothing has changed from yesterday. You can see all these tails here. Everything's sort of just hovering in between these two levels, and I gave you this middle level here, 0.83440 yesterday, and that's pretty much what we are flirting with at the moment. So for as long as we are in amongst moving averages like this, this is a no-go. So it is range bound. So for me, it is not worth trading. Just sit quietly and wait for something to give. And bear in mind that this area that we're in has got strong weekly, monthly and yearly support. So it's not surprising that price is doing this at this area. Anyway, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.